Today's question is question number 15. Area of a triangle is given, that is 30 centimeters square, and also measure of its height is also given, that is 10 centimeter, and you have to find the base of the triangle, BC. That means the name of the triangle is ABC, where AD is its height, and BC is its base. So write ABC like this. Now BC becomes its base. Okay. Now you have to draw here a line that is which represents its height. ठीक है, AD height. So AD का मेजर कितना दिया गया है 10 सेंटीमीटर. आपको ये सब जो है ड्रॉ करने का जरूरत नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ आपको समझा रहा हूँ ना, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करके दिखा रहा हूँ. ठीक है. So you have to find the measure of BC. So first of all, just write like this. जो दिया गया वो लिख लो ऐसे. Area of triangle ABC 30 centimeter square दिया गया है already. Height of the triangle यानी कि AD बोला गया height is 10 centimeter, and you have to find base, that is BC, then question mark. Okay. Now we know that हमें क्या जानकारी है. We know the formula of the area of a triangle. Okay. Area of the triangle is half into base into height, है ना. Height you लिख लेंगे height. So area of the triangle is already given. So write like this 30 centimeter square. Then half you have to find base which is BC and height is AD. ठीक है. अभी 30 centimeter square half into BC नहीं पता, AD का वैल्यू है 10 centimeter. So you can cancel them. Okay, 30 centimeter square equal BC into 5 centimeter. So हम क्या करेंगे, जितना भी टर्म्स है सब I have to क्या करेंगे, शिफ्ट राइट टू लेफ्ट और लेफ्ट टू राइट ऐसे करेंगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि बीसी का वैल्यू निकालना है, बीसी को रखेंगे इन द लेफ्ट, है ना. सो फाइनली योर आंसर विल बी 6 centimeter. द रिक्वायर्ड बेस BC is 6 centimeter.